2 traffic stops, 2 arrests, 2 subjects who transformed simple citations into criminal records by refusing to comply with established constitutional law. The first incident, a driver stopped for disregarding a stop sign and excessive speed in a parking lot. When asked for identification, he refused, argued, and physically resisted arrest.
Hey, have a seat back in the car. Have a seat back in the car.
For what?
You just been pulled over.
For what?
You disregarded the stop sign over there. You're driving extremely fast in a parking lot.
Don't come up here.
All right, have a seat back in the car.
I'm not playing with the line stuff.
Have a seat. You stopped after the line, and you're driving way too fast.
Fast for what? I just stopped at the stop sign.
Have a seat back in the car.
I'm not coming out. I'm in the car.
All right. Let me see your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance for disregarding a stop sign.
No.
Yes.
You cannot follow me.
You have
from
2
the
options.
store.
You give me your driver's license, you go to jail.
You cannot follow me from the store and then come quiet here to try to tell me you want my license. For what? What I did?
Okay, last chance. You go to jail.
What I did?
Disregarded a stop sign.
Come on, man. Stop making up no lie, man.
No, I'm not making it up. You stopped after the line.
What do you mean stop after the line? What? Come on, man.
The line at the stop sign.
It's too early for that. Look at the time.
Okay, last opportunity.
You have no reason to pull me over.
License, registration, insurance.
You have no reason to pull me over.
Okay.
Listen, so like you said, this is your final opportunity. We stopped you for a lawful reason, whether you believe it or not. That's beyond the question.
You did not.
We're stopping you for a lawful reason,
did not.
and right now we're requesting that you identify yourself.
You did not stop me.
If
for
you
no
refuse
lawful
to identify yourself, you will be placed in handcuffs.
You can't follow me and say
So
you stopped
are
me
you gonna?
for-
Are you gonna?
Man, I pass you right at the store.
Are you gonna hand us your
turn around
license?
and follow me for what
Are
reason?
you going to hand
Okay,
it?
so what reason you follow me for?
All right.
See, you can't answer me then.
Don't run.
What you had to look for, man? I ain't doing that. I ain't doing nothing, man. My baby in the car, man.
Just handcuff him. Yep.
I ain't doing nothing wrong. Okay. Nothing wrong. Nothing wrong. So you like to beat people? Okay. I got my car on my way.
Let's go grab your son.
Can I get this girl my keys? Yeah, I got my firearm here. I give her my keys. You can let you right there. Yeah, that's my medicine. I got my stuff on this side.
Bro, turn around and face the car.
I'm just telling you what.
You don't need to tell me anything. Give us a second.
What was that?
Oh, you said he has one.
There's no reason to put me. Thank the no surgeon seizures. I'm under arrest.
Yes, you are under arrest. Obstruction.
Obstruction of what?
Failure to identify.
How you pay? There's no other stuff that I can take.
Do you have anything on you? Anything illegal? Go ahead and take your sandals off. Lift your left leg. Put your sandals on. Put your sandals on.
I need that.
Yeah, you're gonna get it.
And this one too on the floor.
Yeah, you're gonna go in here first.
You tell me I'm gonna get it, but you leave it out there. Though.
Yeah, you're not gonna grab it. We're gonna grab it.
Okay.
You gotta open this way.
Under Terry versus Ohio, 1968. Officers may conduct traffic stops when they have reasonable suspicion of violations. Both stops here were lawful under Fourth Amendment standards. Pennsylvania versus Mimms, 1977. Gives officers authority to order drivers from vehicles during any lawful stop without additional justification. This is a bright-line rule for officer safety. Hiibel versus 6th Judicial District Court, 2004. Upheld stop and identify statutes. During a lawful stop, you must provide identification. This does not violate Fourth or Fifth Amendment rights. The legal consequences of non-compliance are severe. In Case 1, a simple stop sign violation became 4 criminal charges: careless driving, illegal tint, failure to stop, and resisting without violence. Case 1, Subject D. Refused identification during lawful stop. Physically resisted arrest. Simple compliance would have resulted in a citation. Non-compliance resulted in criminal charges. The second incident, January 11th, 2026. Atlanta. Georgia. Officer Ross stopped a vehicle with expired Florida registration. The driver invoked sovereign citizen theories and refused all lawful orders. Both cases demonstrate what happens when legal ignorance meets lawful authority. Let's analyze these encounters through constitutional law and Supreme Court precedent.
Hi, how you doing? I'm Officer Ross with the Orlando Police Department. Do you have a license on you, boss? So 1, your tag is expired, and 2, that you don't have tail lights on your tag.
You do know the law, right?
Yes, that's why I stopped you.
It's called corpus delicti. There must be an injured party for a crime to be committed. You carry a bond for that reason.
So I stopped you on a traffic stop, sir. I'm not going to ask you again to identify yourself, okay? Do you have a license?
If you would, please call your supervisor.
Foxtrot 35, can I get a 45 and a supervisor? Sir, I'm going to ask you one more time to identify yourself. At this point, I told you the 2 reasons that I stopped you today, okay? You don't have any lights on your plate, and then it's expired. I'm now asking you to identify yourself. Now you're refusing twice. Are you refusing to identify yourself? If you refuse to identify yourself, you're going to jail for resisting, okay? Do you understand what I'm saying to you?
What's your name?
Officer Ross. Now I've told you multiple times to identify yourself because you're on a traffic stop.
That's not a law.
Failure to do so, this is my 3rd time. You need to ID yourself.
And that's not a law.
Okay.
And you carry a bond for that reason. Each violation costs you $250,000. So now, I'll gladly get out and go with you, but best believe I'm going after that bond.
Okay. So you're not going to give me any sort of identification, nothing?
There's no crime committed.
Okay.
So
you don't want to identify yourself?
I'm waiting on your supervisor.
Okay. Take the driver's license, please. Can you roll down the window or something? Okay.
You the supervisor?
No, they're on the way.
Okay. And what's your name and badge number?
38895. Officer Lawrence. Can you do me a favor and turn the car off for us? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can do that.
Thank you, sir.
And you said your name and badge number was what?
Officer Ross 38467.
All right, thank you. As I told her, no crime has been committed. The crime is called corpus delicti. If there's no injured party, no crime has been committed. You can't attach a fee. You can't use license, registration, insurance, any of that. That's called res judicata. Anything passed down from the Supreme Court.
You have the supervisor to your right.
All 50 states.
How you doing, man?
Yes, sir. You supervisor?
Yep, what's up?
And what's your name and badge number?
Purple Aaron Wilkins, 38339.
So I asked them
Yep.
if they know the law, because of course the law states ignorance of the law is no excuse.
Okay, so what's your question?
So I asked her why she stopped.
Yep.
She said tag.
Okay.
Right? That's not a crime. The crime is corpus delicti.
Okay.
There's no injured party, no crime is
Okay, so instead of 40 can't have expired tags.
Sorry?
Is it expired tag? Okay. So you have 2 violations of Florida state statute and your vehicle's in Florida. So those are 2 violations. You can stand here and argue with me. Here's the deal. You're going to step out of the car and you're going to identify yourself. And if you refuse those 2 things, you're going to go to jail. You got it?
Okay, so now,
Okay. They're giving you a lawful order to get out of the vehicle. And if you refuse to get out of the vehicle, you're going to go to jail.
Listen, understand
Okay.
now, if we're going to do that, then I'm going after everybody's bond. Okay?
That's fine. Go ahead.
Open up the vehicle.
Sorry?
Open up the vehicle.
You said what?
Open up the vehicle.
Okay.
You can open it because your door is not working. Let me get your hand.
All right. You want to take the phone too? All right. Okay.
Did you move to Florida?
I'm sorry?
Are you moving to Florida or are you just visiting?
I moved
How long have you been in Florida?
3 months.
Do you have a Florida license or no? No. Do you work in Florida?
We'll see about that now, won't we?
Well, this doesn't mean you're going to jail. All right?
All right.
We just got to conduct our investigation. You're refusing to identify yourself, so we'll go through that.
I haven't committed a crime.
Okay.
Okay, put your right here.
Okay.
Is this car registered to you?
No.
No. Okay.
Turn around for me. You got anything on you that's gonna poke me, stick me? No. Might blow that away. You want to grab a little bag?
Yeah, I got you.
Perfect. Put it in the bag for you. This is your only pair of pants? Just underwear underneath? Same. Toy. Like that? Oh, okay. Nothing else on here, right? Put you in the car. Oops, sorry, man. Sorry. If you want to come out and turn your butt the other way, it might work a little better. There you go. And just scoot back that.
Florida Statute 901.36 authorizes officers to request identification and arrest for refusal. Florida Statute 8.4.3.02 makes resisting without violence a first-degree misdemeanor. The second case involved sovereign citizen theories, claiming traffic laws require an injured party. This misunderstands corpus delicti. Traffic violations are statutory offenses that do not require victims. Florida Statute 316.650 requires valid registration. Florida Statute 322.03 requires valid licenses. These are criminal statutes, enforceable without injured parties. Every federal circuit court has rejected sovereign citizen arguments as frivolous. The 9th, 11th, and 5th circuits have all ruled these theories have zero legal merit. Force analysis falls under Graham versus Connor. 1989. Force must be objectively reasonable from an officer's perspective at that moment, not with hindsight. Both cases involved only empty hand control, which was proportional and appropriate. In case 2, an expired registration citation became resisting charges plus operating without a valid license. Both subjects now have criminal records and potential jail time for what should have been administrative citations. Case: 2 officers, A-. Officer Ross and Corporal Wilkins showed exceptional professionalism, legal knowledge, and patience. Appropriate supervisor call, clear legal explanations, multiple compliance opportunities. Grades: Case 1, Officers B+, lawful authority, multiple warnings, appropriate force, minor improvement needed in articulating specific violation details up front. Case 2, Subject F, invoked frivolous sovereign citizen theories, refused all lawful orders, admitted violating Florida Statute 322.08 by living in Florida 3 months without obtaining a license. Critical lessons. First, the roadside is not a courtroom. Legal disputes must be resolved before a judge, not argued with officers during the stop. Second, you must identify yourself during lawful traffic stops. Refusal is a criminal offense. Hiibel settled this 20 years ago. Third, sovereign citizen theories have been rejected by every court in America. Invoking them guarantees additional charges, not freedom. Fourth, Pennsylvania versus Mimms allows officers to order you from the vehicle during any lawful stop, regardless of violation severity. Both subjects transformed minor violations into criminal records through their own choices. Compliance equals citation. Non-compliance equals handcuffs. Remember, every traffic stop is governed by well-established Supreme Court precedent. Know your rights, but also know your legal obligations. Courts, not roadsides, are where you contest citations. Share your thoughts in the comments. Like and subscribe for more legal analysis. Let us know what interactions or legal topics you'd like us to analyze. Thank you for watching, and check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for more content.